this is Dr. Tristan Dai. Today I'm going to introduce how to set up, how to use Hi5 VR Digital Glove. Before we start using Hi5 Glove, we need to make sure HTC Vive Lighthouse tracking system is correctly set up and there are no light interference or magnetic interference in the working area. Inside Hi5 packaging, you will find your Hi5 Digital Glove, your dongle, or say the receiver for data transmission, and also the controller adapter, which you can use for connecting the HTC Vive controller with the glove. This is the optional accessory. So Hi5 Glove can work with HTC Vive tracker. You can assemble this directly to the Hi5 Glove. And also, like I said, by using the adapter, you can use the controller for the tracking of your wrist. Let me introduce how to connect Hi5 Glove with HTC Vive tracker. When mounting the tracker onto the Hi5 Glove, you will find two sticks on Hi5. One is the bolt, the other is the stabilizing pin. There is also a screw nut and a pin recess on the back of the tracker. Now we put them together and screw the bolt. Loosen the Velcro and you'll find the bolt handle beneath the plastic shell. You can screw it to fix the tracker on Hi5. Please ensure not to pull the handle downwards when screwing it. Now the Vive tracker is successfully mounted to Hi5 like this. Next, let me introduce how to use the controller connector to assemble HTC Vive controller with Hi5 Glove. Similar to the tracker, you can also find the same screw nut and the pin recess on the back of the controller connector. You can mount it to Hi5 in the same way that the tracker is mounted. Now Vive controller is successfully mounted to Hi5 like this. Now let's turn on the tracker. Please make sure the tracker LED turns green and the tracker icon is lit up in the solid state, which means that the tracker is being tracked by the Lighthouse. You can now plug the Hi5 dongle directly into the Vive headset or your PC. You'll see the dongle LED switches to the breathing mode after plugging in. Next, we're going to install the battery in the Hi5 Glove. Please note the open direction arrow on the battery cover. Remove the cover and install one AA battery into each Hi5 Glove. Press the glove button to turn on the gloves. You'll see the LEDs on both of the gloves and the dongle switch to the rapid flashing mode, which means they are successfully connected to each other automatically. You just need to open the provided Hi5 sample software on your PC, and the preparation steps will be almost complete. Before putting on the Hi5 gloves, we suggest to you to put on the provided disposable plastic gloves for hygiene purposes. Then, please unfasten the Velcro and loosen the wrist strap and put the Hi5 glove in the proper position. You can cross your fingers to make sure the gloves are worn properly. Then, tighten the wrist straps and adjust the tracker position backward, slightly if needed. Do the same for the other hand. The sensors should be on the second section of each finger. If you use the Vive controller instead of the tracker, you need to mount the controller connector before putting on the glove. Then, unlock the clamps on the connector. Insert your controller properly and relock the clamps. After you put on your Hi5 glove, you can thereafter put on the headset. Try to locate the wizard screen and follow the instruction on the sample scene Then you can learn how to do the demagnetization, the calibration, and the other setup. For more details, please refer to the other 2 tutorial videos. After the experience, you can remove the glove. First, loosen the Velcro, pull every finger slightly past your fingertips, and you will find 2 strap rings beneath the fabric. Pull the rings, and you can remove the glove easily. When powering off the glove, you need to long press the glove button for about 5 to 6 seconds until the LED indicator turns off. So this is it. This is how to start using your Hi5 glove. So you can download, you can watch all the tutorial video and all the support document on our website. Thank you very much.